the benefits of having subject matter experts help you on your journey. So certainly there's quite a few folks in the master data space, across the country, but it's important as you're pulling your team together within your organization to make sure that you have the right subject matter experts, definitely have the right technical players at the table. You can see some of the folks identified over from the technical side of the house, but also making sure that you're not developing a solution that's an IT focused solution, but making sure that you have that relationship, you have a means to be able to collaborate with the folks. And while that might seem absolutely obvious, oftentimes you can see initiatives that start and then it's hard to create the relationships with the folks in the business or to know how to draw them into the space to be able to partner to really develop a strong long-term solution for the organization. So this slide is really intended to depict the need to be able to work together collaboratively and identify the types of folks that you should work with. So who are those folks that you should work with? This next slide identifies who most commonly would be the different subject matter experts that you could partner with across your organization. So as you can see from the slides I had shared before, I exemplified who you most commonly look to in terms of a data source owner. Well, these are the folks then, the subject matter experts who come from that space.